without your love. How much time do we have left together? What the hell? We never know. All I know is I don't wanna be here.
Justin Bieber is in Iceland.
Justin Bieber is in Iceland and we're in Basel. Chat, what's happening?
Is Petro Pascal also?
Petro Pascal is in Iceland, okay. Justin Bieber is in Iceland and we are in Basel.
Oh my god, stop!
Okay, yo, what's up, chat? We're walking in Basel and we're going to bus. And I forgot my bus, the bus ticket. Everyone has bus ticket except for me, so do not call the bus company and say that Hálfdán from Vibe forgot his bus ticket, okay? Shh, please don't tell, okay? That's still between us, okay? Shh. Yo, I see you. You're thinking about it, don't do it. Okay, also there's rain and, but overall very good weather here. Never mind, there's not good weather. Yo, guys, say hello to chat.
Chat.
You have to say hello to chat. Yes.
Hello chat.
There's 200 people watching.
Yes, 280 people. Hello chat.
Let me check out. Hello people. Hello party people. Hey, let's go. Okay. Let's go.
Alright guys, I have secret mission for all of you. Okay guys, everyone here in chat, you have to vote for me in Eurovision.
Yeah, come. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, yo.
Curry master.
Okay, yo, chat, check this out, okay. Hey, chat, I have a secret for you, but you have not tell it. Okay. It's a big secret. You want to say hello to chat?
Union time.
Hello. The chat is going crazy, guys.
Union time.
Wow, okay, guys, okay. First rule of Basel, which I learned, is there's always rain for some reason. I'm like, bruh. Guys, do we need to scan our tickets immediately?
Yes.
Ha?
Yeah, there will come a guy and scan it.
Immediately?
Maybe in the middle of the ride. You will probably get kicked out.
Maybe I can pay extra.
I don't know.
Guys, how does it work in Basel? I forgot my ticket at home. Herri, ég glemdi hennar miðanum mínum. Já, það verður bara hendur. Það reddast á, tekið bara Uber.
Það er byrjað að skoða það, við látum bara ganga fyrir.
Já, okay, mjög gott. Okay, guys, we figured it out, no worries. Okay, let's see what chat is saying. Do you bring your boat? It look wet. I know, we should bring boat. That would be a dream. Yes, we're live on Instagram.
Hello.
Yes, everyone says hello. Chat is going crazy. Rule 2 of Basel, don't forget bus pass. Yes, I agree. I'm sorry, guys. Hálfdán is lost again. No, I'm not lost, I swear. 12. Guys, we got 12 points from Netherlands. This is the best day of my life. Wow, guys, this is crazy.
Hello.
Okay, guys, what's the best bus in Basel? You have to tell me. What's your favorite floor on the hotel room? Wow, this is a good question. Okay, where are you going? Okay, guys, the plan is we're going to rehearse our Eurovision song because rehearse in Iceland we always say rehearsal makes the master, and that's why we're going to rehearse, you know. And ban Hálfdán, no, don't ban me. Okay, 12 points from America. Wow, this is the best day of my life. Come to Australia. Wow, that would be a dream. That would be a dream. Let's see what people are asking. Okay. First question of the day. Vibe, who are you giving your 12 points to? Matti, who do you give your 12 points to? To SpongeBob. Wait.
I give 12 points to Iceland.
Oh my god, we got 12 points from Vibe. It's the best day of my life. Okay, next question please. Oh, this is our bus, I think. Oh, it's a train. I forgot. I'm sorry. My hair is messy. I know. Okay. 12 from Canada. Okay, guys, we're going in the bus. Guys, do not tell anyone the secret, okay? Shh, it's secret. Wait. Matti, how do you close umbrella? Can you look at my umbrella? I don't know how to close the umbrella. Nei, loka fyrir mig.
Já, fyrir back there. Hálfdán, loka ekki.
Já, Hálfdán, Ulla, I can close my umbrellas. Everyone's going crazy. Okay, we're in train. Yes. This is the best day of my life.
Hálfdán really doesn't know how to close the umbrella.
No, I do, I swear. I just forgot. Oh wait.
Hey, fyrir þangað.
12 points from ESC Gabe. Let's go. Thank you, Gabe. I can't wait to meet you in Basel. What? Oh, my umbrella. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now we have to talk about the real issue. Okay. I really don't like the flavor. Ice cream flavor.
Should I talk about weird ice cream flavors?
You have to talk about it. Tell the chat your favorite ice cream flavor.
First of all, candy fruit flavor. Why did they make it?
What did they make? What did they make?
And second of all, bubblegum flavored ice cream.
What did they make?
Why did they make it? Hi guys. So good to see you guys.
Garg and Vibe together.
Garg.
You don't know what Garg is? It's Eurovision Gabe and Park.
Where is Eurovision Gabe now, guys?
He's in chat. Hvað segirðu?
We are in train.
Hvað?
Are we going to see some Minecraft references in your stadium? Maybe.
Oh yeah. No, maybe. I don't know. That would be crazy if we had. Imagine if we had like Minecraft references in
Don't
Eurovision.
say anyone. Interview you, I love you.
Yes.
Interview you, I love you. Yes, thank you.
Not
Please.
Garg.
Please notice me. I notice you.
The Eurovision Gabe. It's
Garg.
Garg.
Garg. How are you? Very good.
We have to find Park and make Park and Gabe meet each other.
Yes.
Hello Matti, W Garg.
Hello.
Love
Guys.
from. Yes, okay. Thank you. Good John Smári.
Good your smile. I know that guy. Please come home. No, I never come home. I don't want to come home.
No, don't.
Bit to wait. Maybe we can tour Iceland. Hello.
Who are you?
Who are you? Are you a fan?
Who are you, my friend?
What?
Who is this guy?
Who is this? The
Wait,
mysterious guy.
wait,
Yeah,
wait. Be patient. Why patient?
Yes, we buy patient.
My patient.
What do you want? What do you want?
Hello, my friend. We are here in Iceland.
Hey, we have a broadcaster in Iceland.
We are broadcasting in Iceland. We are doing right now. We are doing
Vibe.
the
This is
Vibe
reverse.
formula. Do you want to know about the Vibe formula?
Give me the Vibe formula, please.
For this
This
is the Vibe formula. We
Okay.
have one small Vibe.
One small one.
That's me. That's
him.
one small
He's
Vibe.
small one.
This is a small Vibe.
Yes.
And
He's so small. He's so tiny.
and a big Vibe.
Big one. That's
A huge Vibe.
huge. Very huge.
And then there's very important when we
Yes.
tell people, it's not about, it's not, yes, this is vibe math.
Vibe math.
It's not about, it's not about, it's not about, vibe.
No.
It's about the vibe with an I. It's Icelandic. So check this out.
Yo, Clement is in chat.
I just
W.
got,
Hello,
I just got the autograph from Vibe.
Yeah.
It is on me.
Yeah, it's my photograph.
Vibe. And I was going to tattoo because this one, Small Vibe, did a frostbelt, but then he did arrow to my penis, so I didn't want to.
Yes.
So, let's do some more Vibe math.
Yeah, show me my Vibe math.
Here we have 1, 9. We don't see me. Wait, sorry. I have to do it on English French. Here we have. We have one brother.
One brother. Uno brother.
And another brother. Plus,
And another brother. Okay. One brother and another brother. That's me.
plus God.
Plus dog.
God.
God. Yes.
Don't call God dog.
No, no, God is not dog.
No,
God is God. God dog. There's number one rule of religion.
He's my friend.
Yes.
Right.
Oh, it's one brother and another brother and God. It's right.
So before I say goodbye, do you want to hear my cover of Roa?
Yes, can you cover Roa for me? Sing Roa.
There is a businessman 30 centimeters away doing a business call. It's okay.
Yeah, that's so good.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Let's go, wow. Rowan the here. Rowan the sun. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Thank you, my friends.
Whoa! Man, I clap for you. Guys, this is why you were an idol. This is why you were an idol and sensation in Iceland.
I also know My Life is a Movie in English.
Do you know My Life is a Movie in English?
Yes, do you want to hear?
Yeah, I want to hear.
That's more like slam poetry.
It's poetry.
Yeah, listen. My life is like a movie. I just do what I want.
Wait, there was almost a car that drove over me. And the glasses broke. I literally broke my wipe glasses, guys. I broke my wipe glasses on live TV.
I revealed.
Hold it, show them. No, Matti. I broke wipe glasses on live TV, guys.
Nah.
Bro. No. No.
What the flip? What the
No.
flip?
Can you fix? I fix. No.
Bro.
Bro.
What you doing, bro?
No. 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 La policía. No.
Oh, Polidia. Polidia.
No.
Goodbye.
Yeah, guys. This is tragic. Are you going?
I'm going over.
Now go pee. Bye bye.
Bye.
Leave me alone, please. I'm trying to be alone here. Thank you, guys. Wow, guys, this was something, really. Okay. Anyways, Matti just broke his vibe classes. This is real life. I can't believe this. And we're going to perform soon. Oh my God, I'm having a panic attack. Oh, yikes. Okay, point of view, Matti broke his vibe classes. Oh, no. So, you know, this is like, where Hálfdán? Bro, then I have no. Can you have no in the chat, please? Spam no. This is so sad. Wait, Clement was in here. Is he still in here? I want to talk to Clement. He's my favorite. He is like always saying, literally, bro, literally. Who was this sexy man? Very emotional and sexy. I know. He's crazy. Matti, please ban Hálfdán from Vibe. No! Yeah, Hálfdán is banned from Vibe. Point of view, I get banned from Vibe. No! Why did you ban me? Oh, yo, guys, we're going in. Okay. Shh. Okay. Don't say anything. Okay, I have to cut now.